Hello, ma'am and sir. Good day. My name is Mara Gomez, 30 years old, married, high school graduate. I have three daughters, 8, 6, 3 years old. My work experience here in the Philippines, domestic helper, from April 2016 to January 2020. The member of the family is 3, 2 adult and 5 years old kids girl. My main duties, cooking, cleaning house, laundry, ironing, marketing, and take care of the kids. And I can tutor with the kids basic subject like English, mathematics, reading book, and play with them. To my future employer, please hire me. I promise I will do my best to be a better good workers, right, hard working, polite, and I promise willing to learn. Thank you. See you soon.